Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ife from Ife's Kitchen. Welcome back. And for today's recipe, we're going to be making a healthy breakfast parfait containing mangoes, fresh mangoes, sweetened yogurts, and dried fruit. So let's get right into the video. Now I'm going to be putting my already peeled mango puree into a blender, and then I'll be adding my cold sweetened yogurt, and I'm making use of the Habib yogurt, which is sold in ShopRite here in Nigeria, and also adding cinnamon simple serum just to give it an extra taste, since I like my parfait a little bit sweet, as you all know. So now we're going to be blending. We're going to be blending, and I'm actually blending the contents together, ensuring that it mixes well. And as you can see, it looks quite smooth and smoothie like. So there are no seeds, nothing at all. It's really thick, and I didn't add water to it. So to serve, I'm making use of the fruits and nut mix. I got this from ShopRite. So you can get it here in Nigeria from ShopRite. It's quite affordable and also sugar-free as well. It contains dried mango, dried pineapple, dried banana, dried coconut, and dried cashew. So most people prefer to use fresh fruits for this, but I would most likely just wanted to try this dried fruit out and see how it comes out. And I liked how it came out and how it tasted as well. So it's something you guys can try as well and see. It's actually more preferable than the fresh fruits for me, but it's still okay. But fresh fruits are the best. So guys, I hope you try out this recipe and this fruit and nut mix. Try it out, tell me what you think about it, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel as well. So see you in my next video. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.